G'day guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean. Today we're going to be going through 10 or 15 different Christmas ideas and suggestions. These are gifts that I personally want to get for myself, but maybe they are gifts that you would suggest to people in your family if you're stuck for a Christmas idea. So Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and let's begin. Okay, so the first gift off the ranks, does that make any sense, is a camera from a company called Rilo. It's the Rilo 360 video camera. It is on Amazon. These prices, by the way, are all going to be in Australian dollars. So on amazon.com.au, it goes for $929. The whole point of the camera is it records video 360 degrees continuously. So if you're traveling or you're vlogging or you're going away for the holidays, this would be a great idea, and it's going to capture not just what's in front of you, it's going to capture everything all the way around you. So I think this is a pretty cool gift idea. It's still, I guess, a little bit expensive, but if you're going to be looking at something around this price range, it's a great idea. Now, this product from LG is $549. This is actually in US. I couldn't find the Australian pricing for it. It just does vary from shop to shop, so maybe just go online and check the price in your area. But for $549, you're essentially getting yourself a LG PH550 portable projector. So this is a projector you can take with you, or you can move around the house quite easily. But the idea is that you would be able to take this anywhere, maybe for the boardroom if you're doing conferences and you want to project maybe PowerPoints, but if you're maybe taking it to a friend's house who doesn't have a big TV and you want to watch a movie night or a sports competition or something like that, maybe if you want to, you can take it camping. So pretty cool. It says here it can do a screen size up to 100 inches, which is absolutely huge. It has a Bluetooth speaker built in. It has a battery that can last up to 2.5 hours. So if you're going around for a movie night, you can essentially plug this into your mobile phone. I believe if we look at the inputs quickly, it's got a USB input, so if you've got a video file on a USB stick, you could just plug that straight in. But it's also got a HDMI option here as well, so maybe if you're plugging it into a friend's Xbox or something like that, that's a pretty cool idea. And I think for under $1,000 Australian, to get yourself basically a really cool projector that can do up to 100 inches is a great gift idea. Okay, now something that I personally really want, was hoping to get myself at the end of the year but wasn't able to. If someone wants to shout me a couple $1,000s, they can. I really want this TV. It's the 65-inch LG OLED TV. It retails for $4,800 here in Australia, and I really don't need to go on about this too often because I don't think too many people are going to be buying this as a Christmas gift. If you are that person that's going to buy a TV for someone as a Christmas gift, buy it for me, not for anybody else, because I'm bringing you such amazing content. But it's an OLED TV, it's 65 inches, and LG is essentially the best of the best when it comes to OLED. They were, I guess, maybe not the first, but they were the ones that really pioneered OLED technology. I want it purely because, we spend every single night in front of the TV watching Netflix, and if you're going to be watching TV every single night, you want the best TV possible. So $4,800, 65 inch, or if you want the 55-inch model, it is loading $2,900. So if you can't afford to buy me the 65-inch, I will happily take the 55-inch. Thank you. Now, this product from a company called Hyperice is actually something that my girlfriend brought to my attention. She wanted to get it for something for like a post-workout situation. So if you're going to the gym and you maybe get some like sore shoulder, sore neck, sore back, this is a portable massager that kind of looks like a handheld like drill, or I don't know, it looks like a hammer of some sort, but it's $521.94 from eBay. And it's, I guess, what a lot of the pro athletes have been using, so she tells me, and so it's the one to get. And it's basically got a built-in battery, you recharge it, and you can just go to town and you can use it on any of the sore areas of your body. If you want to get weird with it, you can get weird with it, but it is essentially a body massager to help you feel better. And maybe if you looked at the costs of how much you spent over the course of a year at like going and getting a 1 hour massage, if you're getting a massage maybe 6 times a year. 6 times 6 is 360. You're not far off. And this is going to be something that you can take with you, you can travel with you, and it's probably going to provide better, I guess, like control over where you actually want to pinpoint the exact area. So rather than asking someone at the massage place, hey, can you do this? And then they don't, you know, you're not going to make any mistakes with this. So this is the Hyperice Hypervolt Massage Tool CrossFit / Rehab for $521. Now this is a product that I guess I really want, but I don't actually have a need for it right now, so maybe down the track I'll have a need for it. It's a skateboard from a company called Boosted. Boosted boards is what they sort of go around as, and they start from about $800 in Australia. They go all the way up to, you know, $2,500 depending on the model that you want. This is just some of the holiday deals. But if you know someone who is commuting to work and it's only a few kilometers and they skateboard already, maybe this is the product for them. It's going to obviously cut down on their travel time. It's going to be better for the environment than them catching the bus or the train. And if you're going to spend around $1,000 for something that is maybe a push bike or something like that, maybe you know someone that does skate already that could maybe hop onto one of these, or if you just want to buy it for me, then I'd be happy with any of them. So check out the Boosted boards. I do know they ship all around the world, so you know, just check the pricing in your country. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to every one of you. If you have any questions about any of these products, I'll leave links to everything down below. You can obviously leave comments there down below as well. If you like this video, chuck it a like. If you didn't like this video, give it a dislike. Remember to subscribe if you haven't done that, and I'll see you in the new year. Cheers.